it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, one thing I want to mention is I am so tired right now. There was a huge storm last night and my dog kept barking. So if I seem super low energy, that is exactly why I'm struggling. And I've just gotten out of the shower and I'm like, I need to share this product with you. I can't believe I haven't spoken about it sooner. However, I have been testing it for quite a while, so I can definitely give you my honest thoughts, feedback, how it's actually working for me. Now, I know with skincare it is super subjective and it works completely different for every single person, but this is something that I definitely wanted to share with you. So today we are talking about the Regen oil, which is very reflective right now. I do have a big window behind me, behind the camera open. So this might look very similar to something that you may or may not already know about. So this, to me, this is all my opinion, is a 100% direct dupe for bio oil. Oh my god, bio oil, if you don't know, is something that you can use to obviously moisturize your skin, if you do like more of an oil than a moisturizer. Also, it is super well known for fading scars and also helping / fading stretch marks as well, which if you haven't seen my, sorry I keep doing this as well, I need to get the tie for my robe and it keeps on coming out. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, I am currently pregnant and have been on a journey to, fingers crossed, not get any stretch marks. So from the very beginning, when I found out, I have been oiling and moisturizing my body pretty constantly and consistently, like once or twice a day. Sometimes I cannot be bothered and I just don't want to feel like greasy or oily or anything, so I don't. But I would say pretty much most days I have been. So I have used a combination of different things, definitely just like Nivea moisturizers. I have used bio oil. I've also used the Cocoa Body Glow oil, like Palmer's, I think it is, also a Palmer's Stretch Mark moisturizer. And my mum actually recommended me to try this. It was a special buy at Aldi. So bio oil, from memory, is around like $20 something for a container this size, which is 125 ml. This, I believe, from memory, was about $8 at Aldi. So I actually grabbed 2 bottles. This is my second bottle and I thought, I need to share. So we're gonna get into what the product is. So you can actually purchase it online. It's actually a lot more expensive. I've seen it on Amazon for about like $25. But yeah, if you see this special buy come up in Aldi, buy it because it has been incredible so far. I wish I purchased more, but it is what it is. So just to tell you about it, it says Regen oil is a specifically formulated product which helps improve the appearance of stretch marks, scars, and aging skin. Its uniquely safe formula contains the highly effective ingredient PCL liquid for skin rejuvenation and easy absorption, ensuring effective results for dry and blemished skin. For directions, it says apply Regen oil twice daily for a minimum of 2 months. In the unlikely event of skin irritation, discontinue use. Always patch test and store at room temperature. So looking online, both this and bio oil does have very good reviews. I find it's just the price point that people are finding negatives about with bio oil. So this is fantastic, that I honestly believe it is the same thing. So as I said, I'm on my second bottle, which I have used quite a bit. What I like to do, in the beginning when I was using oils, I was always pouring them onto my hands and then putting it onto my body. to be honest now, I just pour it straight on my body and then rub it in, and I find that is so much more cleaner. I'm not like dripping oil all over my sink or anything like that. So that is my hot tip for applying oils. So currently I am 31 plus 31 weeks, 3 days pregnant, and I'm not going to say I don't have any stretch marks, because it's hard to say. I have lost weight and put on weight, and I have some very light stretch marks from previous, but I would say that this has been super, super effective, and I don't think, or I can't really see any stretch marks that have popped up due to pregnancy. And obviously my stomach's growing, so I am super, super happy with this. I highly recommend, if you cannot find this, definitely grab bio oil. I personally really prefer oils in this stage of my life. I just think that they are more moisturizing, which is exactly what I want. I want to feel like something is really soaking into my skin to give it the elasticity that it needs. I mean, that might be totally wrong, but it is exactly what I prefer right now on my body. So if you've tried this from Aldi, let me know your thoughts, or if you've ordered it online, definitely let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.